she's only 3 months old and she already snores like this. Can you picture when she's all grown up? She's gonna wake the whole house. Ooh. Sorry. My bad. You trying to sleep? This little biting thing. Oh, yeah, you want to sleep. But before, you just want to sit there and bite on me. Like I'm your chew toy. Yeah, you want to sleep. You sleeping? You sleeping? Sleeping. Don't blow on her, sweetie. Nope. You give her a kiss?
Yeah.
Alright, give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Aww. Is that your Geisha baby?
Hmm?
Yeah? Is that your Geisha girl?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well say goodnight to Geisha girl.
Good night, Geese. You need
Yeah. She'll chew on that later.